cut across to more breaking news coming in from Parliament. Rahul Gandhi has now taken an oath as Member of Parliament and symbolically also while taking oath held on to the Constitution booklet in his hand. Let's play out for you the full sequence as Rahul took oath saying Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan.
I, Rahul Gandhi, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan. Jai Hind.
Rahul Gandhi taking oath with the Constitution booklet in his hand. You see him at the end saying Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan, and then lifting the Constitution book in his hand. Akhilesh Yadav also similarly took oath with the Constitution copy in his hand. Let's play out for you that sequence as well.
मैं अखिलेश यादव जो लोकसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता को अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं, उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा।
Okay, let's bring in Maushmi Singh also on this broadcast. Those two images on your screens, Maushmi, right now, Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi both taking oath with the Constitution in hand. And that tells you essentially exactly what is going to happen in the days to come. The opposition making it very clear that this is going to be the basis of the attack at the government. Even, the emergency attack leveled by the BJP has been countered by the opposition saying this undeclared emergency today.
Right, Akshita, clearly, the election results are reflecting here during the first 2 days we've seen in the parliament, the pictures that are unfolding. Because, Jai Bhim, Jai Hind, Jai Samvidhan, Jai Samajwad is the slogan that we are hearing from each and every leader of the opposition. Yet again, reaching out here the opposition MPs to the poorest of the poor and outreach to the Dalits by saying Jai Bhim and Jai Samvidhan. Rahul Gandhi said that in turn, thereby even Akhilesh Yadav holding that Constitution book in his hand, underlining the fact that the opposition would be standing with the people of the country to uphold the Constitution. Even as the Prime Minister talked about consensus, it is a very, very bitter tussle between the opposition and the Treasury benches over who's upholding the Constitution, and thereby you can see that there is no message being lost as far as conveying it through actions and conveying it through words are concerned.
All right, Maushmi, thanks very much for joining us with those details. The UP ke ladke, as they referred to Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh, both holding up the Constitution as they took oath as members of Parliament today.